Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make a Christmas tree with acrylic colors. I have kept the painting simple for the beginners, so follow me and paint along. So I'm using Montmartre acrylic colors today, and I'll be using these four colors for the background, which is light purple, violet, phthalo blue and titanium white. And I'm using 300 GSM paper to keep things super inexpensive, especially for the beginners. As I have already mentioned before that I'm using Montmartre colors today, which already comes with a lot of ready-made shades, which is why it is excellent for the beginners, I would say. But still, if you don't have these colors available with you, don't worry. If you have a basic 12 color acrylic set, then you are good to go. As I always say, that you can prepare any color with just three colors: red, blue and yellow. For example, you can prepare this light purple color all by yourself just by using blue, red and a little bit of titanium white. Similarly, you can create violet using just red and blue. Although I am using these ready-made shades of Montmartre here, I will always suggest the beginners to get into the habit of using the primary colors to make their own shades so that they get a clear conception of color mixing and color wheel. So anyways, I am here to teach you how to paint a Christmas tree with acrylic colors. But I am also doing the background first, because just painting the Christmas tree straight away won't make the painting complete. So I just wanted the painting to have a complete look. So I am painting the Christmas tree on a Christmas night, because I personally feel that the Christmas tree looks the best at night with all the blinks from the lights surrounding it. So please be with me. I am sure you are going to love this tutorial.